To start off, we're going to season our skinless chicken thighs with the bone still attached. We're going to put that on the side. Then we'll go to our blender cup, add half a cup of wine, a whole medium onion, 6 cloves of garlic. We go to the blender, blend it all up until it's smoothie texture. Then we take that smoothie, pour it into the crock pot. Add our seasoned chicken thighs with the bones in. And we transfer that crock pot to the heater. Turn it up to high, cook for about 4 to 5 hours. After the chicken's finished cooking, we're going to turn it down to keep warm. We're going to remove the lid, take one chicken thigh at a time, and pull the chicken with 2 forks till it's stringy. Keep going, keep going. Then we're going to remove all the bones. We don't want the bones in there, of course. Then we're going to add the chicken right back to the crock pot and stir it up. Then we're going to take a hoagie roll, put provolone cheese on it, and sauteed spinach. We're going to put it in the oven until the cheese is fully melted. Once out of the oven, we just serve it up, and then it's pretty much ready to go. And all in all, it was a pretty good sandwich. It doesn't compare to the John's Roast Pork, of course, because they have a way higher quality of ingredients, but it's not too far off. Like, I would give John's Roast Pork sandwich a 9 out of 10. I would say this is somewhere around an 8 out of 10. So really not bad for being homemade, and it's pretty easy too.